So we just heard back from the independent verification service Promo Veritas that the lifestyle winner this week is Anthony Dorsett. He has won himself the fantastic electric Vintage Scrambler S bike that we have in the lifestyle comp. I've got his details on my phone. Just before we give him a call though, let's have a quick look at last week's skilled competition question, which was, which of these is not a country's capital city? And the answer, of course, is New York. Happens to be America's most popular city, but not their capital. That is, of course, Washington, DC. Now, I've got Anthony's number on my phone. Let's try and get him on a video call via WhatsApp and give him the good news. Hi, is that Anthony?
Yeah.
Hello, Anthony. How are you doing?
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Good, good. It's Christian from BOTB. I thought I'd give you a video call. I've got some very good news for you today. Just before we get to that, though, how's your day going?
Yeah, a bit wet, but not bad.
A bit wet. What do you do for a living?
I'm a maintenance engineer.
Oh, okay, for what kind of maintenance?
Office blocks.
Okay, fine. And they're all running smoothly today?
A few niggles, but yeah, it's all right.
It's all right, keeps you in a job, Anthony. Keeps you in a job.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, I've got some good news for you. You entered into our lifestyle competition last week.
Yep.
And I'm pleased to say, if I turn around here, you are this week's winner and you have won that fantastic Vintage Electric Scrambler S bike that we have in.
Nice one.
So it's worth £6,995.
Wow.
Yeah, it's rather expensive. It's an absolutely cool bike. I've seen some video of it. It'll do 75 miles on one range, and it will also do 36 miles an hour as well. So it will get you to work a bit quickly.
Yeah, it sounds like fun, yeah.
Yeah, it's a really, really cool bike. Like it looks really cool off-road. And I don't know, whereabouts are you based?
Hillingdon.
Okay, is there some nice kind of like forest and stuff you might be able to ride around in?
Yeah, I've got a couple of places in mind.
Good, good. Yeah, I like it. You're already thinking it. Well, congrats, Anthony. I just wanted to give you the video call and give you the good news today.
Nice one.
And what we'll do is we'll phone you a little bit later and we'll make sure we got all the correct details for you and we can go from there.
Nice one. Thanks a lot.
All right, no worries. Have a great day.
Bye.
Cheers, Anthony.
Cheers.
I love phoning people at work. They're literally just like, what is going on? Anthony Dorsett there winning that fantastic electric bike that we have in the lifestyle competition. If you weren't this week's winner, don't worry. The skilled competition question is live again at BOTB.com. If you enter it correctly, you never know, you might just be next week's winner. Best of luck.